Now let us see the very important reactions of these amines. Now what is the name of this reaction? The reaction with aryl diazonium salt. Now what are these aryl or aryl diazonium salt? Now in aryl diazonium salt, the N2X group is directly attached to this benzene ring. Now this is the aryl diazonium salt. Why it is salt? Because there are charge separation, positive, negative. Now this N triple bond N, that is the diazonium group, it is called. So this compound is called as the benzene diazonium salt. Now this grouping is called as the diazonium group. Now there are two types of main reactions shown by this aryl diazonium salt. Now let us see first reaction involving the displacement of the diazo group. Diazo group means N2 plus group. Now see, this is the diazo group. This is the diazo group. Now this diazo group is very good leaving group. Leaving means to eliminate out. Now why it is very good leaving group? Because there is the positive charge on nitrogen atom which is bonded to that of the aromatic ring. This nitrogen atom which is bonded to this aromatic ring have the positive charge. This diazonium group have the positive charge, so it is very good leaving group. That means it eliminate out easily, and another nucleophile comes on the place of that diazonium group. Now we are seeing the main important reaction, Sandmeyer's reaction. Now name of the scientist, there may be short note on Sandmeyer reaction. Write down the Sandmeyer reaction or explain the Sandmeyer reaction in this type of question may be there. Then you must remember that when this benzene diazonium salt, they are also called as the aryl diazonium salt. In the presence of copper chloride and HCl, when reacts with copper chloride and HCl, this diazonium salt is replaced by the chlorine atom, that is the new nucleophile, and there is formation of the benzene chloride and nitrogen gas is evolved in this way. Now that is diazonium group is replaced by this chlorine of the HCl and H and X from the HX. X may be any halogen here also, and this nitrogen gas get. Now in this way this chlorine attack on this nitrogen get, and this X is also get eliminated, and in this way there is formation of benzene chloride. Remember that in Sandmeyer's reaction benzene chloride is formed when benzene diazonium salt reacts with copper chloride in the presence of HCl. This is very important reaction. And what they say again, now due to the positive charge on the diazonium group is very good leaving group, and that diazonium group have the positive charge on the nitrogen atom which is directly bonded to that of the aromatic ring. So aryl diazonium salt undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction very easily, because many nucleophiles are reacts with this aryl diazonium salt, and in Sandmeyer reaction there is replacement of this diazonium group with the chlorine. Remember the reagent copper chloride and HCl are required for the Sandmeyer reaction, and which is the reactant? Benzene diazonium salt is the reactant, and what is the product? Benzene chloride is the product. This is the very famous reaction called as the Sandmeyer's reaction. Now second that is the reaction which is the displacement of the diazo group. A types of reaction is the Gutterman reaction. Now here also same that is the reactant benzene diazonium salt, and here only copper powder is used in place of the copper chloride as in Sandmeyer reaction, and HCl is there. Here also there is formation of benzene chloride. Here also there is formation of benzene chloride. Only the what is the difference between the Sandmeyer reaction and Gutterman reaction? That the reagent used here is the copper powder and HCl, and in Gutterman reaction and in Sandmeyer reaction there is the copper chloride and HCl. In both the reaction the product form are the benzene chloride. Now this is the second reaction. Then again there is the third reaction. The name of that reaction is the iodoarine formation. Now how is there? Now see the third reaction. Iodoarine formation reaction. Iodoarine formation. Now in that reaction the reagent is same, that is the benzene diazonium salt. But here the reagent is the potassium iodide. Here only the potassium iodide is used, Ki. Here also only there is replacement of this diazonium salt with the iodide ion, and benzene iodide is formed in this reaction. Benzene iodide is formed in this reaction. Now this is the that is iodoarine formation reaction, because this is iodoarine, that is benzene iodide is also called as the iodoarine. Remember that. And the main reagent is the potassium iodide. When this benzene diazonium salt reacts with potassium iodide, that is the formation of benzene iodide. Now this reaction is called as the iodoarine formation reaction. Now these all three reactions, that is Sandmeyer reaction, then Gattermann reaction and iodoarine formation reaction, all are the reactions involving displacement of the diazonium group. Only diazonium group is replaced by the different here halides. In Sandmeyer there is formation of the arine chloride. In Gattermann also there is formation of arine chloride, and the iodoform reaction there is formation of benzene iodide.